Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter number 12, adverbs from the book English Grammar 4. We have adverbs here. An adverb is a word that adds some meaning to a verb. तो जो adverb होते हैं वो ऐसे words होते हैं जो कि verb को describe करते हैं. Okay, we have examples sweetly, here, yesterday, etc. Okay. Then read the following sentences. We have some sentences. First, he talks politely. Now here you can see we have the verb talks and we have the word politely which describe the verb. So, politely is the adverb here. Okay. Second, Rahul is leaving for Delhi tomorrow. Now, tomorrow is the adverb here. Okay. Then, third, it is raining outside. Now, in this one, outside is the adverb. In these sentences, talks is leaving and is raining are verbs, and politely tomorrow and outside add something to the meaning of these verbs. These words are called adverbs. तो अभी जो हमने sentences पढ़े इनमें से talks, is leaving, raining ये सारे verbs थे और politely, tomorrow, outside ये सब adverb थे जो कि कुछ meaning add कर रहे हैं verb को. Then we have kinds of adverbs. Adverbs are of different kinds. जो adverbs होते हैं वो different kinds के होते हैं. We have adverbs of manner, how adverbs. Okay. An adverb of manner tells us how or in what manner an action is done. जो adverb of manner होता है वो आंसर करता है how, मतलब किस तरीके से कोई action हुआ हो, occur हुआ हो. We have read the following sentences. First, he talked gently. Now here you can see gently is the adverb of manner. It talks about how the person is talking. Okay. Second, the young man shouted angrily. Now shouted is the verb here, but it gives the answer how the young man shouted, which is angrily. So angrily is the adverb of manner. Okay. In the above sentences, gently and angrily are adverbs. The adverbs tells us how the actions are done. So these adverbs are called how adverbs. These adverbs also tell us the manner in which certain actions are done. So these adverbs are also called adverbs of manner. तो अभी जो दो sentences पढ़े इसमें gently और angrily are the adverbs, right? ये जो है ये हमें बताती हैं adverbs की action कैसे हुआ है. So that's why we call them how adverbs. Also ये हमें उन actions के बारे में बताती है किस manner में हुई है ये भी बताते हैं. That's why we have called them adverb of manner. Okay. Then we have know it. An adverb of manner answers the question how is the action performed. Adverb of manner इस question का आंसर करते हैं कि जो एक्शन है वो कैसे परफॉर्म किया गया है. ओके. Then we have creative skill, time to do. Underline the adverbs of manner or how adverbs in the following sentences. So here we need to underline the how adverbs, or you can say adverb of manner. Okay. First, Riya danced gracefully. Adverb of manner is gracefully. Okay. Then we have second, the children played noisily. The answer is noisily. Then we have third, the bird was singing sweetly. Now the adverb of manner is sweetly. So you can observe that each adverb of manner ends with ly. So you have to search for the word which ends with ly. Okay. Fourth, cross the road carefully. So the answer is carefully. Fifth, Arjun solved the sums easily. The answer is easily. Then we have sixth, The children spoke to the woman politely. The answer is politely. Okay. Seventh, the stars shine brightly. So the answer here is brightly. Okay. Then we have 8. The driver applied the brake suddenly. The answer is suddenly. Then we have adverbs of place. Where adverbs? An adverb of place or where adverb tells where an action is done. जो adverb of place होता है या फिर where adverbs होती हैं, वो हमें बताती है कि action कहाँ पर हुआ है. It answers the where part of the question. Okay. Examples here, there, up, down, inside, outside, etc. These are the examples. Read the following sentences. First, Madhu lives here. Now you can see lives is the verb here and here is the adverb of place. Okay, it answers the question, where does Madhu live? Then we have second, we looked for her everywhere. Now you can see looked is the verb here and everywhere is used to describe where the verb or the action is occurred. Okay, so everywhere is the adverb of place. Then we have third, my father has gone out. Now out is the adverb of place again. Okay, in these sentences here, everywhere and out are adverbs. These adverbs tell where certain actions happen. So these are called adverbs of place or where adverbs. So जो अभी हमने sentences पढ़े उनमें से here, everywhere, out ये सब adverbs थी. ये adverbs हमें बता रही है कि जो particular action है वो कहाँ occur हो रहा है. That's why we call them as adverb of place or where adverbs. Then we have creative skill, time to do. Underline the adverbs of place or where adverbs in the following sentences. Now we have to underline adverb of place. First, the bus stops there. Now the answer is there. Here you can see we have the verb which is stops. So, there answers the question, where does bus stop? Okay, so the adverb of place is there only. Okay. Second, they went upstairs. Now the answer is upstairs. This answers the question, where do they went? Right? Third, my father is inside. The answer is inside. Fourth, the boys ran forward. Now the answer is forward. Fifth, come here. Now the answer is here. Sixth, we looked for her everywhere. Now the answer is everywhere. Seventh, he can go anywhere. Now the answer is anywhere. We have eighth one, it's raining heavily. Don't go outside. Now the answer is outside. Okay. Then we have ninth, I looked up and saw the plane falling down. Now the answer is down. 10th, she has hidden my purse somewhere. Now the answer is somewhere. Okay. Now adverbs of time, when adverbs. An adverb of time tells when a certain action happens. जो adverb of time होता है वो ये बताता है कि कोई action कब हुआ है. When does that particular action occurs? Okay. Read the following sentences. First, I wake up early every day. Now here you can see wake. This is a verb and we have early, which means it tells us the answer of the question, when do you wake up? Right? The answer is early. Right? So this is the adverb of time. Second, Rani is eating her breakfast now. Now again, now is the adverb of time. Okay? Then third, our school will open tomorrow. Again, tomorrow is the adverb of time because it tells about the action when it occurred. Okay? In these sentences, the words early, now, and tomorrow are adverbs. These adverbs tell us when certain action happen. So these are called adverb of time or when adverbs. तो जो अभी हमने sentences पढ़े उनमें से early, now, tomorrow, these all are adverb. ये हमें बताता है कि certain action कब occur हुए हैं. That's why we call them adverb of time or when adverbs. Then we have creative skill, time to do. Underline the adverbs of time or when adverbs in the following sentences. We have the first one. My uncle came to visit us yesterday. Now the answer is yesterday because it tells the answer of the question, when does the uncle come? Okay, so we'll underline yesterday. Second, he left early today. Now the answer is early, when he left. Okay? Then we have third, we are eating our breakfast now. Now the answer is now. Fourth, she will arrive tomorrow. The answer is tomorrow. Fifth, he usually comes late. The answer is late. Sixth, we will reach home soon. The answer is soon. Seventh, he came here yesterday. Now the answer is here. We have the eighth one, have your dinner now. The answer is now. Ninth, the newspaper arrives today. Now the answer is today. Then we have 10th, they should leave immediately. Now the answer is immediately. Then we have adverbs of frequency, how often adverbs. An adverb of frequency or how often adverb tells how often a certain action happens. जो adverb of frequency होता है या how often adverb होती है वो हमें ये बताती है कि certain action कब कब occur होता है, कितने frequency पर occur होता है. Okay? We have examples, always, sometimes, never, etc. Okay? Read the following sentences. First, he is always happy. Now, here you can see always. It tells about the frequency. How often the certain action occurred. The action here is happy. Okay? Second, she usually gets up late. Now again we have usually, which tells about how often the particular action occur. Then third, he never tells a lie. Now never is the adverb of frequency here. In the given sentences, always, usually and never are adverbs. These adverbs tell how often or how frequently a certain action happens. So they are called how often adverb or adverbs of frequency. So we have read three sentences in which we have always, usually, never. These all are the adverbs. ये हमें बताती हैं कि जो action है वो कितने frequently occur कर रहा है. That's why we call them as how often adverbs or we call them as adverb of frequency. Okay? Then we have know it, an adverb of frequency or how often adverb answer the question how often. जो adverb of frequency होते हैं या how often adverb होते हैं वो इस question का answer करते हैं how often. Then we have creative skill, time to do, underline the adverbs of frequency or how often adverbs in the following sentences. First, Nityam often plays games on his computer. Now the answer is often. Why? Because it gives the answer of the question how often Nityam plays game. Okay? Then second, sometimes I go for shopping. Now the answer is sometimes. Then we have third, he rarely visits us. Now the answer is rarely. Fourth, always obey your parents. Now the answer is always. Okay. Then we have fifth, I never come to school late. Now the answer is never. Then we have sixth, we never fight with each other. Now the answer is never again. Then we have formation of adverbs. Like nouns, pronouns, verbs and adjectives, adverbs are also one of the different parts of speech. Let's learn about the formation of adverbs. जैसे noun है, pronoun है, adjectives है, verb है, ये सारे different part of speech है. इसी तरीके से इनका जो part है वो adverb भी होती है. Okay, now we'll learn about adverbs. Most of the time an adverb is formed by adding ly to an adjective. ज्यादातर adverb form होती है ly add करने से adjective में. Okay. For examples, bright, brightly, loud, loudly, slow, slowly, sweet, sweetly. Then we have bad, badly, clever, cleverly, kind, kindly, active, actively. Then sometimes the adjectives end in y. In these cases, replace the y with I and add ly. कभी कभी जो adjective होता है उनके end में y होता है. So we replace the y with I and in the end we'll join ly. Okay. We have examples angry, angrily, easy, easily. Then we have some more examples. Lucky, luckily, cozy, cozily, hungry, hungrily. Then lazy, lazily, heavy, heavily, happy, happily. In some cases, the adjectives end in le or ible. In these cases, replace the e with y. कुछ केसेस में जो एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं वो le या फिर ible से एंड करते हैं. उन केसेस में हम e को रिप्लेस कर देते हैं और y एंड में जोड़ देते हैं. We have examples: eligible, eligibly, suitable, suitably, incredible, incredibly, horrible, horribly, simple, simply, gentle, gently, probable, probably, terrible, terribly. Then we have creative skill, time to do, form adverbs from the following adjectives. Now we have to make the adverbs. First, probable. The answer is probably. We'll replace e with y. Then we have second, simple. The answer is simply. Then we have third, careful. The answer is carefully. Then we have fourth, sad. The answer is sadly. Then we have fifth, happy. The answer is happily. Sixth, heavy. The answer is heavily. Then we have seventh, delicate. The answer is delicately. Then we have eighth, beautiful. The answer is beautifully. Then we have ninth, late. The answer is lately. Then we have 10th, early. It remains the same because it is already a adverb. Okay. Then we have 11th, easy. The answer is easily. Then we have 12th, horrible. The answer is horribly. Then we have 13th, hungry. The answer is hungrily. Then we have 14th, wise. The answer is wisely. Then we have 15th, angry. The answer is angrily. Then we have 16th, love. The answer is lovely. Then we have 17th, quick. The answer is quickly. Then we have 18th, slow. The answer is slowly. 19th, fast. The answer is fastly. Then 20, suitable, suitably. Then we have review. A word that adds some meaning to a verb is called an adverb. ऐसे वर्ड्स जो कि वर्ब के साथ एक मीनिंग जोड़ दे या फिर उनको डिस्क्राइब करे उनको हम एडवर्ब कहते हैं. एडवर्ब्स दैट टेल हाउ द एक्शंस आर डन आर कॉल्ड एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर. ऐसे एडवर्ब्स जो कि हमें बताए हाउ द पर्टिकुलर एक्शन और थिंग इज डन, those adverbs we call them as adverb of manner. Adverbs that tell where something happens are called adverb of place. ऐसे adverb जो कि हमें answer करे where something happens. So those adverbs we call them as adverb of place. Adverbs that tell when something happens are called adverb of time. ऐसे एडवर्ब जो कि बताए कोई चीज कब हुई है उनको हम कहते हैं एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. Adverbs that tell how often something happens are called adverbs of frequency. ऐसे adverbs जो कि हमें बताए how often something happens, those adverbs we call them as adverb of frequency. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.